In today's video, I'll teach you how to see map in Google Fit. So first of all, open the Google Fit application. You can see over here I've already opened it. So if you want to see the map for your activity, what you have to do is tap on the journal icon that you can see at bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to see the journal over here. You'll be able to see all of your activity. Simply tap on the activity of whose you would like to see the map. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the activity. You can also see the map at top. If you're not seeing the map over here, you might not have enabled the option for location. For that, you'll have to go back, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, scroll down. Under the section for tracking preferences, at second you'll be able to find this option for use your location. What you have to do is toggle this button on right next to the option for use your location. After you do that, whenever you're doing any activities, the location will be included and you'll be able to see the map. So that is how you see map on Google Fit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.